Hello everyone and welcome to News Cues India. Today we are here to discuss in regards to the political scam amidst this COVID-19 pandemic. As we see the elections approaching, a big question that comes up is that in a crisis like Corona, when all kind of exams like UPSC, university level and even board exams are postponed, then what is that important aspect that is not allowing the government to postpone the elections? On one hand, we don't have enough money to provide proper salaries to the doctors, nurses, and other healthcare and sanitization workers, which has led to strikes, while on the other hand, crores of rupees are being spent on virtual rallies and more than 70,000 LCDs were used in Bihar and Bengal. Also, for Rajya Sabha elections too, the funds are being misused. Does this make any sense in this COVID-19 pandemic worldwide lockdown situation? For the treatment of corona, people are being charged up to lakhs. Let me tell you the situation of a few states. In Rajasthan, up to 20,000 is being charged along with the PPE kits, while stats show that in Mumbai, staying in the hospital for 15 days resulted in a bill around 16 lakhs. Even in Ahmedabad, 14 days bill ranged between 6 lakh to 15.4 lakhs. Aware of the fact that hospitals are charging very high prices of corona treatment and there is no proper infrastructure of health in our country, still how can we afford so much wastage of public funds in these elections? Aren't we left with even a bit of humanity? Why are we always trying to do politics with everything out there? Is the role of the common man in the country only to be ruled and used by the elites and politicians? When the number of active corona cases was less in the country, then there was a massive lockdown. And indeed, that was a great initiative by the government. But now, when it has spread in masses, then there is no lockdown. I understand the fact that to boom the economy, it was important to unlock the things. But at least there should have been a proper plan before the government announced the end of this lockdown. In a country where there is no proper infrastructure to fight this pandemic, masses have been left on their fate to live or die. Well, there are plenty of such questions that remain to be unanswered. But as the citizens of this country, it is even our responsibility to stay alert and safe. Roaming unnecessarily out on the streets, we shouldn't forget that the unlocking was done with the objective of bringing the economy of the country back to its track. If we will not work for our safety, then all the plans of the government would fail. It's high time we need to understand the deadly consequences of corona. That's it for today. Stay tuned to News Cues India.